whenever something goes wrong. In a commercial and industrial establishment, the workers are sent to make things right. It is a risky and tedious job to ensure the worker is all right in such situations. A good tracking and monitoring mechanism is essential to ensure the safety of the worker. This is when Mastiff Personnel Tag, the world-class personnel tracking system, comes in play. The system comprises of tags, location identifiers, motion sensors and readers. Motion sensors alert sudden falls and inactivity, which enable immediate help, which are often life-saving. The devices are programmable wirelessly and backed with long battery life. Integrating this tracking system into your existing tracking mechanism is totally seamless. This personnel tracking system is applicable to other industries as well. Real-time tracking of students for attendance management and visitor management in high-secure areas. In and out timing records for employees' attendance tracking and productivity management, workers' safety and security. Emergency response and evacuation of people working in hazardous environment. To ensure better safety and tracking at your workplace, reach us now.